Presuming you're sitting now in a place which is relatively comfortable and safe, I invite you to close your eyes if you feel comfortable doing so, and just kind of sit there. Sit there with your eyes closed and just feel your body. Feel whatever's happening in your body. So if your shoulders are tense, feel that. If you feel a certain tension in your chest while you breathe, wherever your body is feeling, just allow yourself again to feel that. Now, as you're feeling that, as you're feeling your body, allow whatever is troubling you to come to the surface. It might be a small thing, it might be a big thing, it might be something recent, it might be something you've been carrying with you for many years, but wherever it is, allow that feeling to come to the surface. Now, name it. Give credence to your story. Honor your story. What are you feeling, and why are you feeling it? And take your time. Take your time to really honor the contours of your story, to really name in your own words why you're feeling what you're feeling and why you feel hurt in the way that you feel hurt. Now imagine you're taking a walk and you're walking in your favorite place. And so perhaps you love walking in the forest in the season of autumn. Perhaps you like walking on the beach in the middle of summer. And imagine you're wearing your favorite jacket, you're wearing your favorite pair of shoes, and you're walking and you're comfortable and you're relaxed. And all of a sudden you hear someone walking behind you, and you look behind you and it's Jesus. But at first you just turn back around and you continue walking. But then eventually Jesus catches up to you. And now he's just walking beside you. And you're walking in silence. You're not saying anything, but you're just walking comfortably in silence, side by side. And then finally, when it seems right, you both stop. Jesus stops, perhaps you stop afterwards, and you turn and you face each other. And so Jesus is looking at you, you're looking at him, and you just look at his gaze, and his gaze is so peaceful. There's no judgment, there's no condemnation, there's just love. And if you're willing, that thing that's bothering you, imagine you're holding that thing in your hands. Again, it might be embarrassing, it might be shameful, it might be difficult for a whole variety of reasons, but imagine you're holding that thing in your hands, and you get the sense that Jesus invites you, if you're comfortable, to give that thing to him. And let's say you say yes. And so he takes that thing in his wounded hands and he places it in his heart, in his sacred heart, in his pierced heart. And then he takes his hands, and if you allow him to do so, he invites you to give him permission to place his hands on your heart. And so perhaps you do. And so you feel his hands. And his hands are strong. And his hands are warm. And his hands are the hands which have performed miracles. And his hands heal. Jesus Christ, we thank you for the gift of your Sacred Heart. We pray that we might always have the courage to share with you our burdens, our fears, our troubles, whatever is bothering us at any given time, such that you might bear these things in your Sacred Heart, in your pierced heart, in your wounded heart, to allow us to find rest and thereby share in the peace of Christ.